Welcome to Ecolips. I'm Steve Schreiber. Let me show you what our contract manufacturing and private label service is all about. As a pioneer in organic lip balms, we've developed a unique skill set. This covers all the bases from sustainable sourcing to R&D, manufacturing, and fulfillment of various personal care products. We searched the globe for the purest, highest quality certified organic ingredients available. We use fair trade certified cocoa butter, coconut oil, and sugar in a variety of our products supporting fair wages and safe working conditions for farmers. We produce a wide variety of products. Some of our current offerings include lip balm, lip tints, lip scrubs, body scrubs, sunscreen, beard oils and waxes, solid colognes, natural deodorants, baby care products, pet nose and paw balms, and bug repellent. Our private label program is one of the best in the promotional products industry. We have short lead times and competitive prices for an array of high-quality products. You can design your own label, or our in-house graphic design team can do it for you. Choose from a variety of delicious flavors that are premium, certified organic, or SPF. We also offer full-service contract manufacturing. Our facility is USDA organic certified and NSF CGMP compliant. We are an industry leader in flavor matching, custom formulation, and formula matching for contract manufacturing. Our product experts are eager to share valuable experience while helping our customers create exceptional formulas. As an internationally recognized brand, Ecolips can offer unique insight into your products, from the concept stage to scale up and manufacturing. Thank you for taking the time to hear a little bit more about what we do here at Ecolips in Cedar Rapids, Iowa.